everybody, welcome back to my habitat. Today, I'm going to be giving myself a little bit of a safety net because I did a bunch of winter sowing a few weeks ago and I have high hopes for all of that. But just in case they don't pop up, let's go ahead and resow some of those seeds inside and get them growing on my rack. The plants I'm going to be resowing, number one is GM Red Dragon. Beautiful plant. Haven't personally grown this. I've seen it in other people's gardens and I love it. Beautiful kind of condensed greeny bush with flowers that come up almost like columbines in my opinion. Delphiniums! I mean, do these need any introduction? They're beautiful. I love them and I want more of them. Period. End of story. Gaillardia, starting these because this is going to be one of the main flowers in my front yard. Really beautiful, long season of flowering, and also just so bright and punchy. I love it, and hopefully it will bring lots of pollinators into my yard to give them some habitat. Excuse my dirty hand, but look at the delphinium seeds. Aren't they cool? They don't even look like seeds, they just look like chunks of dirt, but amazing. These are the Gaillardia seeds. Once again, love them. And we're gonna be planting 12 of these just like the delphiniums.
And the gem seeds.
Basic, very basic looking. But yet still beautiful in their own right. We're only gonna be planting 6 of these. Sticky notes here for the Gaillardia, one for the gem, and one for the delphinium. So these are just gonna go on the shelf. I'm not gonna put a light on them just yet. Once I start seeing some, little sprouts, I'll put them under the light, take the plastic off. But until then, they're just gonna go on the shelf behind me, not on a heat mat. Thank you guys for watching. Till next time, stay gardening.